In this video, I am going to explain how to divide the given line to a given number of segments. Okay, let's take the example. AB is the given line. Let's take, we want to divide it to 7 equal segments. First thing, you have to draw the inclined line starting from one end of the AB line. So I am taking the A point. The inclined angle, take approximately 30 degree with the given line and take its length approximately equal to the given line. Okay. Here I am drawing the line. Okay, then next step, along this drew line, you have to mark the 7 equal segments. You can use the divider or compass to mark these 7 segments. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then join these 2 points. Okay. Then next step, you have to draw the parallel line to this line through these points. Okay. So I'm going to use the 2 triangles for this one. Keep the 2 triangles like this. Okay. By holding this set square, slide this set square up to this point. Then draw a line. O, mark this point. Draw a line O, mark this point. Okay. I'm drawing the line. Okay. Okay, here you can see this AB line has divided into 7 equal segments. Here you can see. This is how we are dividing the given line to a given number of segments. Okay, thank you. See you next video.